foul odor coming up from your drain? Here's how to kill that stinky smell fast and keep your bathroom or kitchen smelling fresh as heck. Okay, so first off, you gotta clean the trap under your sink because that's where a lot of gunk and gross stuff hangs out, causing those nasty smells. Next, try pouring a mix of baking soda and vinegar down the drain. It fizzes up and breaks down the yucky buildup. Let that sit for about 15 minutes before flushing it with hot water to wash everything away. If the smell is still hanging around, carefully pour some bleach down the drain, but don't overdo it because bleach can be harsh on your pipes and the environment. Another thing is to check if your drain's vent pipe is clogged. If it's blocked, it can trap bad smells inside instead of letting them out. You can usually spot a vent pipe on your roof. If it's dirty or blocked with leaves, clear it out or call a pro. Also, keep your drains smelling fresh by running hot water for a minute or two after every use to flush out any lingering grime. Finally, avoid dumping grease or food scraps down your drain because they just add to the mess and make odors worse. One of the biggest mistakes people make with foul drain odors is ignoring the trap. It's like the first line of defense, so skipping cleaning it lets all that nasty buildup stay there. Fix that by regularly removing and cleaning the trap. It's not as scary as it sounds. Another common problem is using harsh chemicals without knowing if your pipes can handle them, which can cause damage and even leaks. Instead, stick to natural cleaners like baking soda and vinegar to be safe and eco-friendly. A third issue is forgetting about the vent pipe. If it's clogged, no amount of cleaning inside will help because the odors have nowhere to escape. Make sure to check and clear the vent pipe regularly or get a plumber if you're unsure. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it helps you find trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great way to get real work and connect with people who need your skills for projects big or small.